And now it's time for Kaytee Trivia. Contestants, get ready to play. Here we go. First question. Which of these Kaytee pet foods is recommended by veterinarians? That's right, Gabby. The answer is all of them. Next question. Which Kaytee small animal food is specially formulated with nutritious and tasty ingredients to meet the unique dietary needs of your pet? You are correct, Charlie. The answer again is all of them. Now for the final question. Which brand do veterinarians recommend to ensure the health and happiness of small animals? You guessed it, Riley. Veterinarian Recommended Kaytee. Kaytee has been committed to nutritional excellence for more than 150 years. If you want nutritious and tasty food for your small pet, Veterinarian Recommended Kaytee is always the right answer.